Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing, and today's video will talk about the affiliate program of Mindvalley. So let me take you to the website, which is mindvalley.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Mindvalley is a personal growth platform offering online courses and transformational programs in mindset, wellness, career, and relationships. The website features expert-led learning designed to improve multiple areas of life. It is best suited for audiences interested in self-improvement and personal development. So what you're waiting for, if you were looking for a platform like that, you can come to the website, explore all about them, and become part of them. But that's not exactly why we're here, and you guessed it right. We are here to earn money from Mindvalley. How do we do that? Simple. You simply join the affiliate program, you start promoting them to your consumer, to your traffic, and when you bring sales to them, you will end up earning commission. So affiliates from which country can join the affiliate program, and to the consumers of which country can they promote in order to receive commission? No restrictions found about the country of the affiliate. So regardless of your country as an affiliate, you can apply to be part of the affiliate program. However, you would only be able to receive commission if you're bringing sales to them from the traffic or the consumers of Australia, Canada, France, Germany, India, Mexico, United Kingdom, United States, and Netherlands. So these are the only countries which will allow you to earn commission if you're bringing consumers from these countries. So let's learn more about the affiliate program. For that, I'm going to take you to the affiliate program page. I'm going to mention this link in the video description as well for your quick reference. And if you scroll down here, you'll be able to see more about them. And there are some benefits of the affiliate program you could read. But anyways, I'm going to cover most of them in the video. Let's say you want to sign up for the affiliate program. For that, let me take you to the website called impact.com. Now, what is Impact and what does that have to do with Mindvalley? Impact is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. They work as a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of any brand out there, you have to join the respective affiliate marketing network. In our case, we have to choose Impact as an affiliate or rather publisher. So how do you sign up with Impact? For that, you have to click on Request a Demo from the top right hand side, which will take you to this page. Over here within for creators, influencers, and publishers, you can click on Sign up as a partner. Now don't get confused. Impact also call affiliates as publishers. So wherever you see creators, influencers, publishers, or affiliates, it's one and the same thing. Now, let's say you click on sign up as a partner, it will take you to the sign up process. Now, I understand there are many nuances involved when doing the sign up with any affiliate network out there. So don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use Impact affiliate account. You'll find the link in the video description. Simply click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself a free Impact affiliate account. Once you have an account with them, again come to the website, click on sign in, which will take you to the sign in page, enter your username or email address followed by password and click on sign in. It will take you to something called Publisher Dashboard. Now, this is a place where you will be able to interact with different brands out there. I mean, the affiliate program, but we're going to focus on the affiliate program of Mindvalley only. So how do you find the affiliate program? For that, you click on Discover from the menu bar, click on Find Brands, which will take you to this page. Over here, ensure you have clicked on all brands and start typing Mindvalley in the search bar, followed by a click. Then it will load up the detail for you. Let me write the full name. And once you do that, you can see here Mindvalley. So you have to click on that tile for the overlay window to appear. This will have their affiliate program details. So as you can see, if you look at the right hand side, you will receive between 10 to 30% commission on the sale you bring to them. That's very generous of them. And if you click on view and manage contract, you would be able to see more details. So let's say you click here, it will take you to this page, and over here you can see item name content membership. That means if someone buys the membership of Mindvalley, you get 30% of that sale amount. For anything else to pay to Mindvalley, you get 10% of the sale amount. And if you scroll down, you can see more details. There is the contract as well that you must read for better understanding. Now, let's say you're here, and if you look at the left hand side, you will be able to see some more details. And if you ever want to reach out to them, simply click on the envelope icon and initiate the communication with them. You can click on details on the right hand side and you would see these are all the countries that we talked about. So if you're bringing consumers to them from these countries, only then you will be able to receive commission. And if you scroll down, you'll be able to see more details like they're also open to influencers. Now let's say you've read it all and you want to apply to the affiliate program. For that, just simply click on apply. It will open up this window. Over here, you have to tell Mindvalley why you want to work on this campaign. Basically, you have to talk good about you. You have to provide your business model for them to understand your planning. And this could help you in getting the approval from the affiliate program team. For me, I have already written. I'm just going to paste it in here and should you write for yourself as well. And then you click on Mindvalley contract terms and sure you read that too. Followed by that, click on apply. When you do that, you will see this message. Your application to Mindvalley is under review. That means your application has been sent to the affiliate program team of Mindvalley. They'll see whether you're a good fit for them or not, and based on that, they could approve you, and it could take anywhere between a couple of days to a couple of weeks time, and you'll be notified via an email. Let's say you have been approved, then you can again come to the impact publisher dashboard. Once here you can click on discover and you can click on my brands this time, which will take you to this page. Over here you would be able to see all your approved brands, and let's say you've been approved. Now what? Now you can start promoting them. To promote them, you can't just take any link from the website. You have to use tracking link. So how do you create or get your tracking link? Let's say, for example, you wanna promote one of their web page. So let me find a web page. Let's say membership page. So I'm gonna go to the membership overview page, and this is the link. Let's say I want to use this link. I want to bring my traffic to this link. So I'm going to copy this link and then I'm going to come to the home page of Impact. Over here within create a link section, you'll see brand. So assuming you have been approved by Manually, you'll be able to see them listed in here. But just for the demo purpose, I'm going to use Udemy because for myself, I'm still waiting for them to review and approve my application. Assuming you have selected Mindvalley here, you put the landing URL that you want to convert to your tracking link. Followed by that, click on create and it should create a tracking link for you. For me, it didn't work because I selected Udemy and I tried creating a tracking link for Mindvalley. But in your case, assuming you're selecting Mindvalley from here and putting the link of Mindvalley, it should work. But let's say you don't want to create your own tracking link, but rather you want to use the existing assets. How do you find those assets? You have to click on content and you have to click on assets, which will take you to this page. Over here, you have to look at the left hand side and you have to select Mindvalley from here. But as you guessed it, we're still waiting for Mindvalley to review and approve our application. I'm going to go with Udemy just for the demo. You can also go to the other filters from here and select, but let's say you have selected Mindvalley from here. You can decide what kind of link you want. Do you want image or banner links, videos links, emails, coupons, articles, or sponsor tags or text link? Let's say you were looking for the banner link of Mindvalley, and let's assume this is the banner link of Mindvalley. So you click on that tile, it will open up this overlay window for the banner. From here, you can download the image and maybe you might want to integrate it, but image won't work alone. You have to use tracking link. So this is a tracking link for the banner. And if you want to integrate it to your website, you might want to use asset code. As you can see, this is HTML link code that you could integrate from the backend of your website. So this is how you can find different links, different assets available for Mindvalley. All right, so you learn how to create or get your tracking link. The next question arises, where can you promote them? There are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. One way is website. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you've been approved, you can promote them anywhere on your website. Whatever you feel like is more suited for your audience, for your traffic, you can go ahead and do that. Let's say you want to promote them on homepage. Go ahead and do that. You could also decide to go with the category page. Second way is blog. You could also write blog posts about Mindvalley, and this way, when people would read your blog post, you might want to integrate your tracking link with the blog post, of course. And as I was saying, when people would read, they'll click on the link, they buy the membership or anything else on Mindvalley, and you get the commission. Third way is social media. You might want to create content on social media, like maybe create videos, reels, or any post and put your tracking link within the description or comment. It could work in your favor. Fourth way is coaching website. So let's say as an affiliate, you have such a website with you might want to feature Mindvalley somewhere on your homepage or maybe a category page, just a standalone section if you prefer, up to you. So whenever you plan to promote Mindvalley, be it website, blog, social media, coaching website, or any other platform, the problem always is traffic. How do you get more traffic? Because without traffic, you won't get more people buying subscription or the membership of Mindvalley. So you want to attract more people, correct? So there are top three traffic sources for Mindvalley. So you might want to bring traffic to your platform through YouTube, maybe create content, and you don't want to direct them directly to Mindvalley. You may try, but you might want to prefer moving this traffic to your website or your platform first, and through that you can have them move to Mindvalley. SEO blogs. So let's say if you prefer to promote them through blog posts, you might want to create these blog posts as SEO friendly. So this way, generic traffic could come to your blog post, and again, it will be more traffic leaning towards more conversion, and that will result into better commission. Third way is email newsletters. Let's not forget, when it comes to coaching, the best way to motivate people is through newsletters. So you might want to get traffic through newsletters as well. You just have to ensure you have the newsletter list, the people you could send the newsletters to. So this way you could promote or you could bring traffic to your platform that could lead them to Mindvalley website. All right, so you started bringing sales to Mindvalley, and the question arises, where would you see your performance? For that, you can come to the Impact Publisher dashboard once again. Once here, you can click on Reports, you can click on Performance by brand. It will take you to this page. Over here, you can apply different filters, and then you would be able to see your performance by program, and you would be able to see Mindvalley in here with clicks and actions. If you click on the action hyperlink, you will be able to see even more details. Like this, you can also try other reports from here. Maybe you want to try performance by day to see the performance. And to see your accumulated commission, you can look at the top right hand side. Over here, you will be able to see your accumulated commission. And if you click on this drop down, you'll be able to see balance, pending, earning history, invoices, and pending actions. So if you want to see the segregation of this accumulated commission, you click on balance, which will take you to this page. Over here, you'll be able to see the segregation. You can also try other option. For example, if you want to see your history of earning, you can try this option. You want to see the invoice being sent to Mindvalley, you want to try this option. But how do you receive this accumulated commission? To receive this, you simply have to click on bank account settings. Once you're on the balance segregation page, it will take you to this page. Over here, depending on your region, you may get an option to choose electronic fund transfer or PayPal. So let's say if you get the option of PayPal, you can go with PayPal, which I prefer the most. You can give your email address and you're all set to receive commission. However, if you don't get to see PayPal, you could choose electronic fund transfer, select bank location country, and add your banking details. You can also set your order pay. Let's say you want to receive commission whenever it exceeds the given threshold, you can decide. You can also decide to receive the commission on a specific day of the month. So this is how you can update your payment methods, and you can start receiving commission from Impact for the sales you brought to Mindvalley. All right, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Mindvalley. You start promoting them, you start bringing sales to them, and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Mindvalley. And as an affiliate, if you want to grow and if you want to get better in your affiliate marketing journey, there are some amazing resources that I've created for you. They're free and as well as premium resources. You'll be able to find them in the video description. Simply click on those, and if you prefer to have any of those resources, go ahead and do that. Also, in case if you have any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.